So these are the lights. It come with two. Come in this box, but it comes with another box. So in that brown box, it protects it. So yeah, give me a second. Oh, I got it out. So that's how it looks. It's secure. Give me 1 second. So this is a light. Light meet light. This is how it looks. Let's try it out. Look how the lights looks. It's pretty good. It's not dark yet, but this is the light. It's so bright. It works pretty good. So look closer.